Sonny, can you give him a hug? Oh, that's nice. Can you give him a little kiss? Whoa! What a nice snowman. Now, fix his scarf. Sonny, is it snowing outside? Is it snowing on Christmas?
That's pretty rare.
Oh.
Very rare.
It's really coming down.
That's sticking on the road a bit.
Sonny, what'd you get for Christmas? Did you get lots of fun stuff? Merry Christmas from Duncan.